Hello, this is the fourth tutorial, and today we are going to talk about the app and the website Edpuzzle. Edpuzzle has been done with Catalan talent, being in America today. In order to start working with Edpuzzle, we have to go to the website edpuzzle.com, and as the motto of the website says, make any video your lesson. You can create self-corrective quizzes based on any video on the internet. Perhaps not any, but most of the video banks in the web. Pick a video, add your magical touch, and track your students' understandings. Right? You have to log in, and then you will be able to see the dashboard. As you can see here, you can log in as a teacher and as a student. I will recommend you log in as a teacher using the corporative mail of your high school or your secondary school. Then, when you are logged in, you will see the dashboard. The dashboard has different parts: my content, my classes, share, and the bank of your ready-made activities. In here, you can see my content with the videos you have created or you have borrowed from other teachers. If you want to create an activity, you have to click on the button Create, where you will have several options. Create a new video, upload your own video, have students' projects, or create folders. Then, on the left, you will have different video banks to choose from. You can choose the video and start adding questions. You have the whole collection of Edpuzzle ready-made questionnaires. You have all YouTube videos, the Khan Academy with wonderful academic videos, National Geographic, excellent collection, TED Talks like the one with Sugata Mitra, Veritasium, Numberphile, Crash Course, and Vimeo. So you have a whole lot of input to choose from. When you select a video, then you will see that there are 4 different icons. 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 icons have 4 different functions. Number 1, you can crop the video and make it as long as you want. With this second microphone icon, you can add your own soundtrack to the video. So you can record your own explanation without the original audio. Icon number 3 allows you to add voice notes to your video, like a listening test without a written question. You can add a comment, an instruction, or a comprehension question. And then the 4th and most important icon is the Create Your Question. This is what we are going to deal with in the next slide. You see the microphone. You can record your own. Soundtrack, or add a comment. You can now start creating your own questions: open question, multiple choice, or comment. As you see here in the example, you have an open questions. If you create open questions, you should check back and correct every question one by one. This one here is a multiple choice question. Okay, so you have the question here, you type the first answer, which is the correct answer, and then 2 distractors. All right, and it's important that you click on save. All these websites keep adapting, and they modify the website by auto-saving the thing. Yeah, but just in case, keep saving the project every now and then. You can also add your own images to your questions. Imagine you have a vocabulary question. How do you say mesa in English? And then you have 3 images, all right? Or, as you have here in the example, you have a question here, and then I created 2 screenshots from the video to see if your students were paying attention, all right? Please close your activity with save and finish, because they will prepare your project for the export function. Now, with Edpuzzle, you can assign your project to a class. I recommended you use your school address, because that can connect with Google Classroom or Moodle. Google Classroom is very positive now because it connects directly to your classroom, and you can assign your Edpuzzle to every single group. Then you can click on prevent skipping and set a deadline for the assignment, right? So in the end, you just click on assign, and it works better in combination with Google Classroom, where you will export your students' grades very, very easily. Now, the most important thing about this technological tool is that the sharing option, right, or embedded in your blog, or exporting and sharing it via Moodle with a link, or the embedding code. Embedding code is incrustar, insertar, in the same way you embed a video on your blogs, right? You can also share the link via Facebook, Twitter, or direct email. So when you want to check your students' assignments, you will have the project you have shared, and then you will see who has completed it, the final marks, and if they have followed the deadlines that you set at the beginning. That's all. I hope you enjoy Edpuzzle. Give it a try. It's a bit tricky at the beginning, but once you get used to it, you will love Edpuzzle. Remember, Catalan talent in the United States. Bye bye.